The long-awaited CMAT 2024 notification is out. You can check the registration and important dates from the official notification. Please register for the exam early and don't wait until the application last date. Also, remember that you have to apply to colleges separately. We have provided the list of top 25 colleges linked in the video description. For a free CMAT mock, Google search Krakow CMAT mock test. Also, you can download the last 6 years CMAT question papers with detailed solutions on the Krakow website. Additionally, we'll be releasing a video featuring the 1000 most important GK questions on our channel. So please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to not miss it. You can enroll in 10 Krakow CMAT mocks for just 499 rupees. Link is in the description below. Thank you.